Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Sienna back seats. Full guide. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then clear cargo and floor clutter. Lay protective cloths to avoid scuffs and mark bolt locations as you remove them. Keep fasteners in labeled bags and place bolts on the matching seat outline. Work one seat section at a time and ask a friend to help lift bulky pieces carefully for safe removal. Begin by folding and unlocking the seat sections, then locate and remove visible bolts from each track. Carefully unplug electrical connectors and tuck them away to avoid pinching. For bolted seats, loosen front bolts first, then rear bolts, and lift the rear to disengage track hooks. Keep seats level while moving to prevent damage, and set each seat on a soft blanket to protect upholstery and nearby trim during the process. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tutorials. Quick recommendation: bring the Echo Dot smart speaker into your garage for music, timers, and hands-free instructions while you wrench. It brightens the workbench and keeps your playlist rolling. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily and enjoy clearer, safer work sessions with voice control. Now let's get back to the video. Check all mounting points for corrosion and replace rusty bolts to ensure safe reinstallation. Use a plastic trim tool to pry up carpet edges and release clips slowly to avoid breakage. Keep magnetic trays or labeled containers for bolts and small parts so nothing goes missing. When lifting, bend at the knees and get stable footing, and always wear gloves and eye protection to prevent cuts from sharp edges or debris around the seat tracks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.